Hello, you are welcome. Today, we are going to solve this simple question that's before us here. Simplify the cube root of 64r raised to the power 6 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. Cube root 64r raised to the power minus 6 raised to the power of 1 over 2. This is the cube root of 64 raised to the power r raised to the power minus 6. Remember that from indices, when a number is raised to the power half, the same thing as the square root of that number. Having this in mind, we're going to have the square root of this. Now, what is the square root of 64? The square root of 64 is 8. Next, to look for the square root of a number raised to a power, let's use r raised to the power a square root. We're going to have r raised to the power a over 2. We're going to apply that here. We have r raised to the power minus 6 over 2. Everything cube root. And this gives us the cube root of 8 r raised to the power minus 3. Next, the cube root of 8 is 2. Now we're going to apply this same law here. The cube root of, let's say, a raised to the power n will give us a n over 3. So, which gives us r raised to the power minus 3 over 3. So, we have r raised to the power minus 1, which is the same as writing 2 over r. This is our answer that we got from this simplification. Please like this video, share this video, help this video to grow by sharing our content to your friends and family. Also, please help us by subscribing to our channel. I will see you in my next video.